Hello students, how are you? This is our next video, separation of variable of differential equation. In the previous video, I have solved from 1 to 38, and in this video, I am going to solve 39 to 45. This type of equation, dy dx is equal to y tan 2x, y0 is equal to 2. I have already told you that there are two types of solution. That means general solution and particular solution. General solution where there involve an arbitrary constant c. But if you put a particular value of x and y, that means at x is equal to 0, it is given that y is equal to 2. Then you get a particular solution of the equation. Then the solution is called particular solution. So in this section, I am going to solve this type of particular solution. Let's watch. As you know, this is a problem of separation of variable. This is dy and it is y. Then you change here dy by y is equal to tan 2x dx. Integrating both sides, you get log y is equal to log sec 2x by 2 plus c. Now putting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2, we get log 2 is equal to log sec 0 to half plus c. That means sec 0 means 1, log 1 means 0. That means c is equal to log 2. So our required answer will be log y is equal to log half log sec 2x plus log 2 log root sec 2x plus log 2. That means log 1 by root over cos 2x plus log 2. That means log 1 minus log root over cos 2x plus log 2. Log 1 means 0, log 1 means 0. Then this is log 2 by root cos 2x is equal to log y. Then therefore your solution is equal to y is equal to 2 by root over cos 2x. This is your answer. Now check the answer with your respective books. Y is equal to root over y is equal to 2 by root over cos 2x. This is your answer. And you find here that there is no arbitrary constant. Here c is the arbitrary constant. C is an arbitrary constant. Putting the value of x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2, you get this is called the particular solution of the differential equation. Next, problem number 40 is 2x dy dx is equal to 3y. 2x dy dx is equal to 3y by the method of separation of variable. Dy by y is equal to 3. It is 2 dx by x. Integrating, we get the required result. This is a homework for you. This is a homework and you try yourself. Next problem, xy dy dx is equal to y plus 2. This is another very easy sum. How can you do it? Y by y plus 2 is equal to dy and it is dx by x. Now integrating both sides, you get. How can you solve it? It can be solved in two ways. That means you can do it in this way. Dy y plus 2 is equal to z, then dz is equal to dy. then y is equal to z minus 2, y is equal to z minus 2. That means you can do it in this way, that y means z minus 2 by z dz is equal to log x plus log c, or z by z dz minus 2 dz by z is equal to log xc, or z minus 2 log z is equal to log xc, or z means y plus 2, z means y plus 2 minus 2 log y plus 2 is equal to log xc. Putting the particular value, that means x is equal to 0, sorry, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. You get, putting y is equal to 0, you get 2 minus 2 log 2 is equal to x is equal to 2 means log 2 plus log c, 2 minus 3 log 2 is equal to log c, or 2 minus log 8, 2 minus log 8 is equal to log c. So our required answer will be y plus 2 minus 2 from here log y plus 2 is equal to log x plus log c. This is log x plus log c. Log x plus log c means this one, 2 minus log 8. Now we get the required result will be y minus 2 log y plus 2 is equal to log x minus, or y minus 2 log y plus 2 is equal to log x by 8. This is your required answer. This is your required answer. Now I have already told you that this is a way that y plus 2 is equal to z. Now there is another way. Another way means you can do this integration in another type. That means this is y by y plus 2. Then integration y by y plus 2 dy is equal to integration dx by x. It can be easily solved. That means y plus 2 minus 2, add 2 and subtract 2 is equal to log x plus log c. Add 2 and subtract 2. Then this one by this, or dy minus 2 dy by y plus 2 is equal to log x plus log c. You can get the required result in just a single step. That means y minus 2 log of y plus 2 is equal to log x plus log c. What is the arbitrary constant? Just add 2 and subtract 2. Then you get the required result. Next problem, dy dx is equal to 2 into e to the power x into y cube. Then you can solve dy by y cube is equal to 2 e to the power x dx, and integrating you get the general solution, and you get general solution and putting the value x is equal to 0 and y is equal to half, you will get the particular solution. This is another homework for you. Try yourself and also homework for you. Next example, 43. Dr dt is equal to minus RT. R0 is equal to R0. Example number 43. Dr dt is equal to minus RT. R of 0 is equal to R0. What you have to do? Dr by R is equal to minus T dt, integrating log R is equal to minus T square by 2 plus log C, or log R minus log C minus T square by 2, where C is arbitrary constant, or log R by C is equal to minus T square by 2, or R by C is equal to e to the power minus T square by 2, or R is equal to C e to the power minus T square by 2. Now, putting x is equal to 0 and R is equal to R0. Putting t is equal to 0 and r is equal to r0, we get r means r0, c, t means 0, that means e to the power 0, e to the power 0 means 1, then implies that c is equal to r0. So our required answer will be r is equal to r0 e to the power minus t square by 2. R is equal to r0 e to the power minus t square by 2. Again, these are all same type of problem. dy dx is equal to 2 e to the power x into y square. Then dy by y square is equal to 2 e to the power 2x dx, integrating, you get y to the power minus 2 dy is equal to 2 e to the power 2x by 2 plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant. Integrating, you get y to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 is equal to e to the power 2x plus c, or this is minus 1 by y, or this is minus 1 by y is equal to e to the power 2x plus c. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 1. Putting x is equal to 0, you get this is 1 and minus 1 is equal to 1 plus c, or c is equal to minus 2. Then your required answer will be minus y is equal to e to the power 2x minus 2, or 1 by y is equal to e to the power 2 minus e to the power 2x. 1 by y is equal to 2 minus e to the power 2x. This is the solution. This is a homework for you, and this is also homework for you. dy by y is equal to 2x dx. These are very easy and particular sum. Okay, next. Now the problem number 44. dy dx is equal to y sin 2x. dy dx is equal to y sin 2x. I have already said earlier that you do it in this way. dy by y is equal to sin 2x into dx. Integrating both sides, you get log y is equal to minus cos 2x by 2 plus c. Now putting the value of x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1, you will get the required result. The required result will be, putting x is equal to 0, cos x is equal to 0, cos 0 means 1, and log of 1 means 0, then log 1 is equal to minus cos 0 by 2 plus c. Log 1 means 0 is equal to minus half plus c, or therefore c is equal to half. Therefore your required answer will be log y is equal to minus half cos 2x plus half is equal to half 1 minus cos 2x. This is your required answer, and if you again simplify it, then you know that 1 minus cos 2x means 2 sin square x by 2. Cancelling 2, we get log y minus sin square x is equal to 0. Log y minus sin square x is equal to 0. Next, 45, 1. dy dx is equal to y tan x. That means dy by y is equal to tan x dx. Do it yourself. This is do it yourself, and this is also a homework for you. Again, it is also a very easy sum. This is dy by y is equal to 5. 2 into dy by y is equal to 5 dx by x. Integrating, you get the required result, and putting the value at x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, you will get the required answer. This is also a homework for you.